Hello friends, and welcome back to One Polish Project. In this series, I'm going to show you how to take one nail polish and transform it into 5 different looks. This is look number 1. I will link below products used in this video or similar. All products used in One Polish Project can be found in my Amazon storefront. Look number 1. So the first look in One Polish Project is matte nails. This super simple trick is highly underrated in my opinion. This works for anything. Regular, basic, one shade of nail polish, boom, transformed. Glitter nail polish, transformed. Nail art, transformed. Get my drift? What is a matte top coat? A matte top coat is a top coat that mattifies the glossy nail polish underneath, meaning that it takes the gloss and it removes it. It makes it just flat. Most nail polish is glossy by default, and while some people think that matte gives the polish a dull look, I think it can elevate it. It can also alter the shade slightly, and that's the whole purpose of this series, small changes to what you already have. Which matte top coat should I use? In this video, I have used Big Matte Top Coat by Sally Hansen. Another one that I regularly use is OPI's Matte Top Coat. Again, links will be in the description. Are there any downfalls to using a matte top coat? Matte top coats can sometimes get chunky white chalk-like pieces in them. Sometimes you can't tell because the bottles themselves are frosted or the pieces are so small. Unfortunately, you won't know until the top coat dries, but I've given them a good shake and sometimes they go away, or maybe they just sink to the bottom, I'm not sure. But I've had bottles that I've used for, or I've had like sitting for months, maybe even years, and the chunks have just disappeared, dissolved maybe. I'm not sure the science behind it. Also, sometimes a matte top coat just doesn't work, or it might work on one nail and not others. Why? Not a clue. I assume it's something to do with chemistry, and you'll need to ask someone a lot smarter than me. How does it look? So here's the glossy look first. Followed by the matte look. As you can see, there's a slight speckle of the chalky stuff on my index finger. But we aren't about perfection around here. We are about keeping it real. So I left it in the picture in the video. Does it ruin the manicure? No, only I knew it was there. No one's looking that closely at your nails. And if they are, then you might be able to tell them something cool you learned about matte top coats. Have you ever experienced any problems using a matte top coat? Let me know in the comments. Make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss the next episode of One Polish Project. We're going to get 5 different looks out of this blue nail polish. In the meantime, learn how to level up your nail art game with this video about nail art stickers. Thanks for watching. See you next time.